Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Facebook application on Android. So the first thing you have to do is open your App Store and in the top right corner hit your profile icon. And as you can see right here we have plenty of options and you have to choose the very first one, manage apps and device. So right here as you can see we have this option update available. We are going to click on that. And right here, there are all the applications installed into my phone that need to be updated. So in this case, if you see right here the Facebook app, you will have to just hit the update button in order to install the latest update of the application. The second thing you have to do, you can manually search for the Facebook app. And in the App Store, I'm just going to search for Facebook. And right here, as you can see, I have this open button. If instead of this open button you will see the update button, that means you have to update the application and you just need to hit the update button and install the latest version of the application. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.